99% of women are making the same fashion mistake, and it's ruining their entire look. Have you ever put on an outfit, looked in the mirror, and thought, why doesn't this look as good on me as it does on someone else? You're not alone. And the secret isn't about buying expensive clothes. It's about understanding your body shape and dressing for it. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Hey, I'm Shreya from Hallberd Luxe, your go-to destination for effortless fashion and confidence. Here, we talk about styling, outfit hacks, and how to elevate your wardrobe with simple but powerful fashion choices. So, if you love looking stylish without the stress, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Most women don't realize that the way they dress is actually working against them. You see a cute outfit online, you buy it, you try it on, and something feels off. Maybe your body looks wider than it is. Maybe your legs seem shorter. Maybe your waist disappears completely. And you wonder, is it me? Am I just not meant to wear this? But here's the truth. It's not your body. It's how the clothes are designed to fit. Fashion isn't one size fits all. It's about knowing what works for you, not against you. Let's break this down. Every woman falls into one of these body types: hourglass, pear, rectangle, or inverted triangle. And the mistake most women make? They wear trends without considering how those clothes shape their proportions. For example, if you have a pear-shaped body, wider hips, and a smaller waist, baggy jeans and oversized tops will make your shape disappear completely. Instead, high-waisted trousers and structured tops will highlight your waist and balance your proportions. Now, let's talk about rectangular body shapes, where the waist, hips, and shoulders are nearly the same width. The worst mistake? Wearing clothes that don't create definition. If you're straight up and down, layering with belts, structured blazers, or peplum tops will give you curves where you want them. And this is exactly why two women can wear the same dress, but one will look effortlessly elegant while the other feels awkward and uncomfortable. It's all about choosing clothes that work with your body, not against it. So here's what you need to do right now. First, figure out your body type. Stand in front of a mirror and pay attention to your waist, shoulders, and hips. If you're unsure, drop a comment below and I'll help you. Next, stop buying clothes that don't align with your proportions. If you have a petite frame, avoid oversized silhouettes that drown your figure. If you have broad shoulders, opt for V necklines instead of high neck tops to create balance. And if you want to instantly elevate your look, stick to structured, well-tailored pieces instead of baggy, shapeless ones. Here's a quick styling hack. If you want longer-looking legs, wear pointed-toe shoes instead of rounded ones. If you want to define your waist, swap out loose dresses for cinched or belted styles. These small changes make a huge difference. Final call to action: engage and convert viewers. If this video gave you a major style upgrade and helped you understand how to dress for your body type, then don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to Hallberd Luxe, because I drop expert styling tips every single week to help you look and feel your best. And hey, if you love effortless fashion and